So what do you do with the money that you make flipping pallets?
You buy a freaking bowling alley.
Lake Wales Bowl. So I recently closed on one of my other restaurants that I had up in New York. So I needed to do something with the money, so I decided to take on another project here. A frickin' bowling alley, right? This became available. Oh, that's what they're, I think the landlord got a little nervous. Those pins might fall off and hit somebody. I can see why. I think it's kind of cool though. So yeah, come on in and check out the bowling alley. It's pretty neat, it's pretty cool. The good thing is that somebody spent $1 million building this frickin' thing a while ago. You know, like 20 years ago. And so it was recently shut down during COVID. The guy here couldn't keep up with business, so he shut the whole place down. It's 32 lanes. As you can see, it's a Tuesday night, so it's kind of slow in here. But 32 lanes of bowling, all old school bowling stuff in the back. I didn't realize when they built these bowling alleys that, you know, they buy out other bowling alleys for all the stuff in the back because it's so super expensive to build a new bowling alley with all the technology. All my machines are mechanical. We'll give you a couple views of what the machines look like in the back. The bowling alley came with mostly everything. I had to buy some extra balls. There was no shoes when I got here, so I had to buy a few hundred pairs of shoes. That wasn't cheap, but it was all right. We got all the lockers here, all the tables, all the chairs. You know, this is our front counter here. Place comes with about 15 different bathrooms, which is good. A lot of people, you know, we have a full-size arcade within the bowling alley. So you can see over here all the different games that we have. Currently, there's about 30 games in here, but the vendor that I use, so I don't own any of these games, and I get 40% of all the money that they bring in. So that definitely helps us when it comes to paying rent around here, paying rent inside of a mall. We're on the side of a mall in Lake Wales, Florida. But these games do pretty good. These games are pretty popular, especially on the weekends for kids. You know, we've only gotten 2 checks so far, and our second check was huge. Our second check was looking good. I'm pretty optimistic about when we finally get everything up and rolling, when we finally get this place popping, you know, how much money we're gonna do in the arcade. The arcade can actually pay all the expenses of the whole building. You know, so I'm pretty excited about getting going. Let me show you the number one game that we have here in the bowling alley. This game makes the most money for us right over here. What do you mean I lose every time? I'm gonna beat him. Oh, that was weak.
Can we redo this?
That was weak. No edit.
Please,
no edit.
Please. I get to go again.
Oh, not too bad for a young man. All right, let me show what the old guy can do. Come on, come on, keep going, baby. Keep going, come on. What'd you get?
752.
Come on. Not bad, man. Hurt your hand.
You could have hit harder.
Great things about our location, which is right here, Lake Wales Bowl and Entertainment, is right across the hall is Eagle Ridge Cinemas. So on the weekends, this place is packed. You know, this is the only movie theater within, I don't even know how many miles. So hundreds and hundreds of people come here on the weekends. So I know when I go to the movies, if I see a restaurant across the way, I'd come here and eat first, take my kids to the movie. When I'm done, I'd let them have a couple beers. And that's what I think's so great about our location. One of my best friends in the world made me this Jim Beam decanter, right? So he took a Jim Beam bottle with a barrel, and underneath there's a pump. So the pump goes up through here, brings the water up to the Jim Beam bottle, it pours out into the glass, then it just keeps circulating on there. One of my best friends in the world, Old Man Joe, made this for me. This is going to Junior. Yeah, Mo 2. Yeah, I need that cheeseburger working. I got that ready. Those wings are out, right? Yeah, those wings are out. Yeah. So I just
Well,
needed
which one? What?
these ones. These ones are out.
Oh,
Yeah.
it's right here, the boneless.
Just going to Gabriel, Toad. 2 cheeseburgers up. All right, pizza's in, wings are in, fries are, I'm gonna put more fries down. I said, why are all these people coming out on a school night? We were about to go home. Esteban, is these my last 2 bags of fries? I think you guys aren't turning the fryers up high enough.
135.
335.
Oh.
335. That's why they're sitting in that oil way too long, not getting nice and hot and crispy. That's what's happening. Mod sticks by itself. I got that. So our arcade is the one where you win tickets and you get to redeem your tickets for prizes. And it's really nice because we have all these prizes to give away to people, and we don't have to supply them. The arcade people supply all the prizes, all the good stuff that everybody wants to win. And believe me, kids will spend hours and hours just to win a couple Tootsie Rolls. You know, you've probably done it before. I know I've done it lots of times. Give a kid $20 and they come back with like 6 Tootsie Rolls, and you're like, oh, we should have just bought the damn things. You know, we got a lot of fun posters and stuff like that around the bowling alley, you know. We're trying to make it more kid themed. Over here is our cafe. You can see we got our point of sale system's called Toast, so they can give me a referral notice if they toast. Our menu's up there. It's a digital menu. That'd look a lot better, but it's in works. The cafe is open right now, and it does pretty good business on the weekends. We still got to get the POS. We got to get the weekdays a little bit better, but it's a lot of fun. This is the most exciting part of the whole place, is that I got a 200-seat restaurant. So you can see how massive this restaurant is. We play music in here. We got TVs. Look at all the TVs with the sports going on. We got a sports bar theme going on here. Look at these tables, Stanley. You know where we got these tables?
Reseller market?
The Orlando Magic. We bought them from the Orlando Magic. That's the Magic logo. That's right. We went right to the arena. Look at it. They paid a fortune. See these chairs? They paid $300 each chair. I paid $2, right? Because I like to find bargains. That's what I do. These tables were $10 each. I'm sure they're $1,000 to get these custom made. You see, my whole bar is filled with the Orlando Magic chairs. My whole restaurant is filled with the smaller chairs. I got such a great deal. Where did I get that deal? GovDeals.com. I go to GovDeals.com whenever I need large bulk auctions. Government auctions, I make a ton of money, or I save a ton of money by going to those websites. Look around here, we have some pool tables in here, some dartboards, some more video games. You know, this part we just are really opening up right now. We're trying to develop the menu for the restaurant. You know, we're trying to figure out what the right thing to do, the right way to do it.
Where I kick Tyson's butt in pool right here.
Yes, you kick Tyson's butt in the pool. You know, but I'm pretty excited about what we have here. This building has a lot of good bones. It has a lot of good bones, and I think that we have a very favorable rent right here, and so I think we can piece it all together between the bowling alley, the arcade, and the restaurant, and we can be super duper profitable. I'm taking my pallet money, flipping money, and put it to use, making new investments.